ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I color this my broken toy.
What happened?
I color this my broken toy.
Broken toy.
Yes, this.
Okay. Yes, so we are going to start with the revision of our second chapter. That is the Pied Piper of Hamelin.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I want one of you to summarize the chapter for us. Who is going to summarize? Ayush, can you do? Try, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, try. What is the story about? You close the textbook. What is the story about?
The Pied Piper of Hamelin.
What is the name of the place where the story is taking place?
City
Hamelin.
of Hamelin.
Hamelin, yes. What was troubling the city of Hamelin?
The city of Hamelin troubling the rat.
The city of Hamelin was filled with
Rats.
rats, yes. Then what did the people of Hamelin do?
The people of Hamelin was troubled and went to the mayor.
They went to the mayor. Okay, then what happened?
Please do something. Do something
Hmm.
about the rats.
Who came to help the people of Hamelin?
Just the Pied Piper.
The Pied Piper, yes. What did the Pied Piper say he will do?
He will do
Hmm.
play
Hmm.
merry tune.
He said he will play a tune.
And sat on riverside.
Yes. Then
Um,
what
drowned.
happened? All the rats fell into the water and drowned. Yes. Okay. Then, okay. Enough. Good. Next, who will continue? Ivan,
Yes, ma'am.
continue. What
Yes,
happened after that? The rats drowned and died. Then what happened?
and another tune.
Why did he play another tune?
This time all the children.
No. Wait. When the rats drowned and died, what happened?
And can I say?
1 second. Let him think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What happened? Once the rats drowned and died, what happened?
The mayor broke the promise.
Very good. The mayor
broke the promise.
Yes. The mayor broke his promise and refused to pay the money. Yes. Then what did the Pied Piper do?
And the Pied Piper next a tune.
Yes. Then. So he played another tune, and what happened?
All the children came running.
All the children came out of the house. Yes. Then.
House and the pipe. All the children follow the Pied Piper to the mountain and disappeared.
Yes. Okay. Then what happened?
Then
what happened to the people of Hamelin then?
The mayor was horrified. People was horrified.
They were horrified, yes.
The people was horrified. And the mayor paid the money
uh,
and
uh,
the Pied Piper.
hmm,
Next tune, another tune,
uh,
and
uh.
this time all the children come to their kindful parents.
Okay, good, good. Yes. So the city of Hamelin, the story is about the city of Hamelin, which was troubled by rats. And all the people were worried because the rats were eating up all their food. So they go to their mayor and ask for help. At that time, the Pied Piper comes to the city of Hamelin and he offers to help. He says, I have a secret charm with which I can get rid of the rats. And the mayor promises to pay 1,000 coins to him once he gets rid of the rats. So the Pied Piper plays a tune on his pipe and the rats follow him to the riverside. They fall into the water, drown, and that's how they get rid of the rats. But what happens is the mayor breaks his promise after that. He does not pay money to the Pied Piper. So the Pied Piper wants to teach the mayor a lesson. He plays another tune, and this time all the children follow him to the mountains. A door opens, and the children disappear into the mountains. And the parents of these children get worried. They go back to the mayor and say, please help and do something. So the mayor agrees to pay him the 1,000 coins. The Pied Piper plays yet another tune. All the children come back to the parents again. So that is the story. Now we shall move on to the meanings. What is the meaning of mayor?
The head of the city. The head of the city.
The head of the city, yes. Next one is, what is the meaning of pied? Of different colors. Secret charm. Magical words, very good.
Magical words.
Drowned. Horrified. Okay, very good. All of you know the meanings very good, but please make sure your spellings are also correct. Okay? So you have to write and study the meanings. Okay, next one. We will open your rough books now. Close your textbooks and open your rough books. Who is that?
Ayush.
Ayush, please mute.
And that is Ayush.
Yes. Okay, first question.
First.
Ivan, mute, Ivan. Describe the Pied Piper. That's your first question. Describe the Pied Piper.
Finish. Ma'am, finish. Second question. Ma'am, second question. Ma'am, second question. Second question, ma'am. Second.
Finished?
Yes, ma'am. Second question.
Okay, Shreya, what is the answer?
The Pied Piper is a colorful man.
Pied Piper is a colorful man.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
No, ma'am. He has a long hair, half purple and half blue.
I didn't hear you once again.
Ma'am, he has a long coat
One second, Sahish. One second.
and blue.
When somebody is talking, why do you go on calling ma'am, ma'am? Please mute, except Sahish, mute your audio.
Dress, ma'am, half purple and half blue.
What is the problem, Abigail?
Ma'am, page number. Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
a Pied Piper has magical words.
Shreya, 1 second. Nived, mute. Shreya, also mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sahish, now please tell me the answer.
He has a long coat that is half purple and half blue. He uses his pipe to play many tunes.
Okay, anything else anybody would like to add to this?
Ma'am,
Yes, Agnel?
ma'am, a long coat and half purple and half blue.
That's what she also said.
Ma'am, Pied Piper has magical words.
Huh?
Long coat that.
No. Please listen. Please listen. It is the same thing that Sakhrish said. Yes, Ivan?
Ma'am, half blue and half purple.
She said the same thing. I'm asking you, do you have anything extra to add?
Ma'am, secret song. Ma'am, the Pied Piper has magical words. Ma'am,
Yes.
Pied Piper has magical words.
No. Anything more?
Ma'am, I know, Emmanuel.
Yes, Emmanuel.
The Pied Piper has magical words. He has long coat.
See, 1 second. My question is describe the Pied Piper, right?
Yes.
Yes. So agree with your answer. He was wearing a long coat which was half purple and half blue. That is describing his coat. How will you describe the Pied Piper? What kind of a person was he? There is a word in the lesson which tells what type, an adjective used to describe the Pied Piper.
Pied Piper has magical words.
Just then, a dance man entered.
Half purple and
Tall man. Yes.
blue.
So the Pied Piper was a tall man wearing a long coat which was half blue and half purple. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ivan.
ma'am, the Pied Piper has a green hat.
I'm not asking about his clothes. I'm asking about the Pied Piper. Yes? The Pied Piper was a tall man wearing a long coat which was half purple and half blue.
Tall man.
Will you all please allow me to complete the answer? Now for the exam, you'll write the same thing and I will not give you marks. I'm telling you. That is why I'm going on repeating the answers. The Pied Piper was a tall man. He was wearing a long coat which was half purple and half blue. If you want, you can add he had a secret charm. Okay, if you want to add that, you can add it. But this is all I am looking for. He was a tall man with wearing a long coat which was half purple and half blue. Is it clear? Is the second answer clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, the first answer. Now we'll move on to the second question. What kind of tune did the Pied Piper play?
When he did
What happened when he did so?
what kind of time
What?
did the
Ma'am, the
pipe
Pied Piper played Mary tune.
Now, Mary, please mute. What kind of tune did the Pied Piper play and what happened when he did so? I don't want, write the answer. Write the complete answer and then only raise your hand. This is writing practice for you. What kind of tune did the Pied Piper play and what happened when he did so?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
the Pied Piper played Mary tune.
Hmm.
After it, all the
You
rats.
repeat the answer,
Yes,
then read what you have written.
all the children.
You have written, Abba.
Yes, I was written.
Then read that.
All the children followed the piper.
When he played a merry tune.
No.
Yes.
No.
Then what happened? Or what kind of tune did the piper play and what happened?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Ayush.
The piper played a merry tune.
Hmm.
All the rats came running and drowned in the water.
Hmm. Good. The Pied Piper played a merry tune, and when he did so, all the rats followed him, fell into the water, and drowned. Yes? Pied Piper played a merry tune. All the rats came running out, followed him to the riverside, fell into the water, and drowned. Abba, correct your answer. Okay, can I go on to the next question? What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story?
Can I say that? Ma'am, finish. I can say. We should keep promises.
We must keep promises. Very good. Anything else, Sahrish?
We don't break the promise.
Okay, same thing. Yes. Okay, fine. Enough. Enough. This is enough. We must, the moral of the story is we must keep promises. Please make sure you write the entire sentence. If you write only we must keep promises, I will not give marks. The moral of the story is we must keep promises.
We should not be greedy.
Good, good. We must not be greedy. Yes. Two things that we learn from the lesson is one, we must keep our promises, and the other thing is not to be greedy. Okay. Now the next question. Fourth one. You have to use the word greedy and make a sentence of your own. Use the word greedy and make a sentence. Use the word greedy and make a sentence.
Don't be greedy.
That is not a sentence. Greedy. Yes? Anybody has made a sentence? Describe the word, use the word greedy in your sentence, in a sentence. Yes? Nobody?
Lazy.
Huh? Use the word greedy in a sentence. Where did lazy come from? Yes? Ayush? Ayush, Sahrish, Aradhya, anyone? Yes, Sahrish.
The mayor was a greedy person.
That's from the textbook. Can you make a sentence of your own?
Yeah, Anita was a greedy.
Sorry?
Anita next was
I didn't get you.
Anita was a greedy person.
Anita. Okay, fine. Anything else? The greedy cat stole the fish from the kitchen. Okay? Please start using making sentences of your own. Okay,
The greedy dog take the bone.
the greedy Dog took the bone. Okay. Next sentence. Sorry, next question. Describe the mayor. The answer is already given by Sahrish actually. Describe the mayor. Yes, Ivan.
Ma'am, the crocodile caught a deer.
Hmm?
The crocodile caught a deer.
What is that, Ivan?
The deer came to drink water. There was a crocodile and got the deer and eat. He was telling the fourth question.
Fourth question. Greedy. Where is greedy over there? He didn't say greedy. Ivan, I think you got the question wrong.
Oh.
Okay, now you have to describe the mayor. Who can describe the mayor?
Ma'am, he is a head of a city. There was a head of the city.
That is the meaning of the word mayor. I did not ask for the meaning.
And
Yes.
can I say?
Yes, Sahrish.
The mayor was greedy. He refused to pay the money. He broke promises.
Very good. The mayor was a greedy man who did not keep his promises. That is all I want. The mayor was a greedy man and he did not keep promises. Very good, Sahrish. Okay. So I hope all of you have got all the answers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. So that is all from this chapter. That brings us to the end of the Pied Piper of Hamelin revision. Now we will have the next one that we have is the swing, right? Yes.
The swing is
Next class, the swing. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.